This quick video explains how to use the shared Google Doc in English 101 to complete your planner checkpoints throughout the semester. There are two ways that you can access the document. The first one is through the email that I sent to you. It should have a link that takes you directly to the document. However, that means that you have to save or star the email some way so that you can get to it when you need it. The easier way is by navigating through the course schedule to any of the assignments that are called checkpoints, checkpoint A, B, C, D, or E. And within the instructions for that assignment, there should be a link to the Planner Checkpoints Google folder. If you click this link, it should take you to a Google folder, and you should only see your planner. It will have your name right here, and then it'll say Planner Checkpoints English 101. When you want to work on the document and complete your assignment, you'll click into it. And you'll see that this is essentially a planner in multiple parts. So the first checkpoint is due during week 2. So you'll come down here to checkpoint A and you'll complete the checkpoint A portion of this document. You can type right on here. You can type in the boxes. And you can include all of the information that you need in order to complete the assignment, okay? You do not have to submit this anywhere. You don't have to save it or submit it. Google Drive automatically saves your progress, and because this is a shared document, I will be able to go into it at any time and see your work. So after the due date, I'll be able to open up the planner folder, and I'll be able to look at everyone's planners right in a row and see what you've done and how you've done it. It is worth noting that you should complete the checkpoints in order and when they're due. So for example, don't get excited and complete the whole thing all at once. You definitely want to wait and complete all of the materials before you move on to the other progress checkpoints. So please follow along the schedule, do the checkpoints when they're due. You'll do all of them right here on the same document. You don't have to save or submit. It should automatically save your work. But in order to check, you can always just close this tab and then go back into it to make sure that it's saved whatever you typed. That's one way to double check and make sure that your work stays where it needs to be. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions at all, please email me at ntruitt@dtcc.edu. I'll be happy to help.